Apples are a delicious fruit, normally present in most people's diet. Have you ever heard, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? You can even make apple juice at home. But not everyone knows just how incredible natural apple juice tastes or how many more benefits it has. In today's video, we're going to talk about why drinking a glass of homemade apple juice every day benefits your health. It has many nutrients. Apples are a source of a number of nutrients that are vital to our body. They aid in the healing process, control the electric activity of the heart, help build muscle, and are important for the breakdown of carbohydrates, which are used as an energy source for the body. It's an antioxidant and natural anti-inflammatory. Natural fruit juice serves as an excellent source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances, which have an anti-aging effect. Its peel is rich in polyphenols, which aid in the fight against chronic health problems such as cancer, heart diseases, and asthma. Protects the heart and lungs. According to a 2001 study from the University of California, quercetin, which is present in apple peel, decreases the accumulation of cholesterol plaques in our arteries, which helps reduce the risk of heart attack. After 6 weeks of eating 2 apples a day or drinking just over 350 milliliters of apple juice daily, the research participants could already tell the difference. It can even aid in asthma attacks, thus reducing seizures. Apple juice can help you lose weight, treat and prevent stress, treat colitis, and prevent colds and the flu. So, do you want to learn how to make natural apple juice? Ingredients: 4 to 5 medium apples, preferably red. To get the benefits of flavonoids in the peel, use the organic ones. Instructions: wash the apples well and chop them into small pieces without peeling them. Don't remove the core either, since it adds to the overall flavor. Put the chopped pieces in the pan, cover them with water, and cover. Cook over medium-low heat until the apple pieces begin to break and turn soft. As they cook, mash and break apart the apples with a wooden spoon. Once they are cooked, pour the apple paste into a large strainer over a container. Squeeze it through the strainer until all the liquid is extracted. If you want, you can use the leftover peel to make apple jelly. Your apple juice is ready. Now just wait for it to cool. After it is cooled off, store it in a sealed container. If you want to, you can freeze this juice for 3 to 6 months in a hermetically sealed container. Remember not to add sugar or any other type of sweetener. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.